Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Media Encoder presets for YouTube compliance, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Media Encoder presets for YouTube compliance. Press enter to load the search results. Look for reliable websites that offer downloadable presets. A popular website to check is the official Adobe website. Once on the site, navigate to the Download section. Search for Media Encoder presets specifically designed for YouTube. You may find a variety of preset options. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Click the download link to begin downloading the preset file. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. It will typically be in a .zip or .dmg format. If it's a .zip file, right-click and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder for the extracted files. After extracting, open Media Encoder on your computer. In Media Encoder, go to the Presets panel. Click on the plus icon or Import Preset. Navigate to the folder, select the preset file you want to import. Click Open to add the preset to your Media Encoder library. You should see the new preset listed in the Presets panel. To apply the preset, select the video you want to export. Drag your video file into the queue. From the Presets dropdown, choose the newly imported preset. Review any settings or adjustments if necessary. When ready, click the Start Queue button to begin the exporting process. Once your video exports, it will comply with YouTube's requirements. Repeat the process for additional presets as needed. Now you are set to create videos that meet YouTube standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.